to the Coppin.
Our alma mater true. I'm Dominic.
I'm Deshanique. Welcome to NESTflix Chill,
Coppin State's first virtual open house event designed to keep you informed yet safe during these unprecedented times.
You can watch these videos 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from the comfort of your safe place on your TV or mobile device.
You can watch these videos in any order you choose. Now, before we begin, let's go over a few things to help you navigate through the site. While it has the look and feel of a video streaming service, there are some things that are different.
On the landing page, you will find several buttons. This button, Apply Now, will take you to the application portal. Further instructions on the application process will come in a later episode.
And the Bookings button will allow you to schedule an appointment with an admissions counselor.
You can click on these buttons at any time while you watch the episodes. Now that you're caught up, let's get started. Grab your snacks and get comfortable.